Hello and welcome to the Darren Smith Photography tutorials. This video is all about camera ISO and how it affects your pictures. ISO or ISO is a number used to express the light sensitivity of the camera. In digital photography, ISO settings can be adjusted far more easily. As you can see here, the amount of light recorded changes dramatically when the ISO is increased. On a traditional film camera, the ISO is set by the film, and if you want to adjust the sensitivity, you have to change the type of film you use. A higher ISO allows you to shoot photographs in lower light conditions with the same aperture and shutter speed. There is, however, a trade-off, as higher ISO photographs are more susceptible to noise, which may spoil the image. As you can see here, the two images are shot using different ISO levels. The image with a high ISO is very grainy and noisy. The other is shot at a lower ISO and there's a lot less noise visible. It does, however, mean that the shutter speed is a lot slower. Traditionally, the camera had 4 settings to obtain the correct exposure. These are: fully automatic, where the camera controlled the aperture and shutter speed; shutter priority, where the camera had a fixed shutter speed and the aperture is controlled automatically; aperture priority, where the camera controlled the shutter speed when the aperture is fixed; and full manual, where the photographer has full control over their settings. With modern camera sensors, we can make use of another setting, and that is Auto ISO. This is where the camera can have an aperture and shutter speed set by the photographer, and the sensitivity of the sensor can be changed automatically to get the correct exposure. This means that the photographer has a new way to control their own creativity and how their image looks. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Please feel free to check out more at darrensmith.org.uk or on YouTube, Twitter or Facebook. Thank you for watching.